Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best dash cams on Amazon. If you pick the right model and set it up properly, it can save you thousands of dollars, and that's exactly what we're here to offer some advice on. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p. There are a couple of reasons why we picked the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber as the best model for rideshare drivers to pick up. It's within a justifiable price range for anyone who's starting out. This model captures video in 1080p and has 2 recording channels to work with. Obviously, recording the front end is a primary concern, but recording inside the vehicle offers an extra level of security to drivers. It's also set to automatically begin recording whenever motion is detected and when the ignition is turned on, keeping you covered at virtually all times. Unfortunately, quality control is a concern, and you need to inspect it thoroughly to ensure it's not defective upon arrival. What we like about it: competitive pricing. Records front and interior of vehicle. Automatically records when the ignition is on or motion is detected. What we don't like about it: quality control issues are common. Video looping issues are common. Number 2. Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dash cam backup camera. We're wrapping up our list with what is clearly one of the most discreet solutions when it comes to dash cams. The Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dash cam is designed to replace your rearview mirror and act as a dash cam. In other words, you never have to worry about it serving as a distraction or ruining the vibes of a clean interior. That's not all, though. This dual-channel dash cam can also serve as a backup camera. Still not floored? What if we told you that it also has a GPS function to help you navigate, and that Wolfbox also throws in a free 32 GB South Dakota card? Make no mistake, this thing does way more than you might expect it to. What we like about it: discreet appearance. Can function as a backup camera. Free South Dakota card. What we don't like about it: inherently difficult to install. Difficult to set up. Number 3. Nexar Beam Full HD 1080p dash cam. Here we have a solid option from Nexar for those who want a little more quality for their money. The Beam certainly isn't revolutionary, but it's a great way to get a dependable dash cam in your car without spending a small fortune. Our testing of this unit shows that it's quite capable for something of its size and price range. The 1080p video quality is far better than what you see from many cheaper options, and vibrations pose no threat to its stability. It's also extremely easy to set up and install in your vehicle, as it took us no more than 15 minutes to get up and running. Also, we'll tip our hats to the app's easy-to-use nature that allows you to quickly review and manage video files. What we like about it: competitive pricing. Easy to set up and install. App makes video file management simple. What we don't like about it: power wires are clumsy and unsightly. Lack of screen makes it difficult to find the right angle. Number 4. Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. We think this Kingslim D4 4K dash cam is a really tough option to beat if you need a high-resolution dash cam that can record the front and rear of the vehicle. Its advertised 4K resolution paired with the wide 150-degree viewing angle puts it far beyond most in its price range. Speaking of which, this happens to be one of the more affordable options out there. Another killer set of details that work in this model's favor are the touchscreen and compatible app, and those factors combined make it extremely easy to set up properly and manage video recordings. What we like about it: competitive pricing. Wide-angle lens and higher resolution. App compatible. What we don't like about it: may not actually be a 4K camera. South Dakota formatting issues are common. Number 5. Blackview Dash Cam. Why do we think this is a good option for truckers? View angles. And the first thing you need to know is that this Blackview offers camera coverage for the front and rear of the vehicle. That makes it good for everyone, but the 162-degree coverage for the front end and 139-degree angle for the rear classifies it as a must-have for larger vehicles. Also, the 4K resolution makes it hard to miss any details from so high up. What we like about it. High-resolution imagery. Wide lens angles. Front and rear coverage. App compatible. What we don't like about it. Premium price point. Lack of screens makes it hard to find proper recording angle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.